everyone, Mary at Espresso Press Design. Thank you for joining me today. Let me see the date. Is it? Oh. Okay. My camera's wrong, so forget about it. I don't know. I had a busy day yesterday. I don't think I even looked at the calendar. Okay, today we're going to do another 12 by 12, and this is from Pinkstrawberryz, an interactive one-page wonder, and it's really cool. So I'm going to give you a quick show here. It has 1, 2, 3. Let me try to logically count the pages here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pages, and a little interactive flip here, and a pocket. And I made this little into a tuck, but this is also a pocket. So let me just get this out. First of all, I'll show you that's a pocket. And it's really cute and it's really easy. And it's 4 by 6. So probably a photo would need a little trimming, but it would fit. This is the only product this week. It is Grandma's Garden, and it's on Shopify only. I thought I would do something a little different, so I put some images on the actual book pages, and they were very, very vintage. So I didn't do any, this is the actual paper of the book. So they're very vintage, I would say. So today you'll need a 12 by 12. I forgot to write my thank yous. But thank you to everyone who has been visiting, purchasing, commenting, giving nice reviews, etc. And I forgot my paper strip to tell you what paper this is. I think it's Bow Bunny. Let me just see if I grab that. Let me just grab that in case you're interested. What did I do with it? Okay. Bow Bunny Love Match. Ooh, that's cute. I didn't even recognize that. I'm going to keep that. And that I got at Joann's. So you'll need a 12 by 12 scoreboard or scoring tool, pair of scissors, and some glue. So kind of, again, I kind of chose non-directional. And I really wanted to do a single-sided this week, but I couldn't. The ones I found I didn't really like. So we're on double-sided again. So you need a 12 by 12. I'm just trying to figure out. I guess I'm going to go this way. And we're going to score, and you'll need some glue. We're going to score at 4, and 8. And then we're going to turn, and we are going to score at 6. So I am going to fold these so that you can see more clearly where we are going to cut. And I don't think you're going to see it on this paper. So let me just get this fold nicely. And this fold nicely. And this fold nicely. So yeah, we're left with six rectangles, if you can see that. And we are going to cut these two to the center. So I'm going to do that. Okay, so this is what we have left. So we are going to fold whichever way you want it. Okay, I'm just going to go I think I'm going to go opposite so I can have the green. Okay, so we're going to fold with the fold on top, the spine, so to speak, on top. And then we're going to put the left one forward, the other one to the back, like so. And then this one is going to come forward, and she cut hers off, but I kind of just turned mine into a little tuck. So let me get that lined up. Make sure it's nice and straight. So there's the little tuck right there. Okay. Then, okay, this goes this goes like this. And then these two get glued here and here to be your pocket. And then this one gets folded in to be your flip. Okay? So you see, this is the hardest part is actually the folding. And if you want, I mean, you can trim that a little bit, but I'm not going to. So I'm going to glue my pocket first so I don't lose my own place. So as I said, she cut that off. and then she glued it here and here. And I just glued mine at the bottom. So I hope everyone's doing well. We are finally maybe turned the corner, and we're heading toward real spring, which is warmth. And I'm really, I don't even know what to say regarding the devastation in Oklahoma and the center of the country, so to speak. I pray you'll be getting some actual relief. And start focusing on our own citizens for a change. Don't mean to get political, but it's pretty absurd. So this we're going to deal here and here. Charity begins at home. Okay. Just let that glue just get glued a second. Okay, so there's our flip, and then that becomes your back page. So when you look at it, basically what you're seeing is that those top two rectangles are the front and back cover. I hope that's understandable. So then I just made a little card, and I made a little tuck for that. And that still could be glued a little better. Now I'm going to give you the link to hers because she put some belly bands and some other pockets. And I'm not going to do that because these are getting stored. And I can't remember where she put it. She put, I know she put a belly band there. And maybe she put a pocket there or there. I can't remember. But I'm going to give you her link as well. So let's see, where are we? Now it's only 15 minutes. That's amazing. So I'm a little flustered because I went back to work, so that's I apologize for my inability to be prepared today as much as I usually am. But this is a very I really like it, actually. That's actually cool. And that can make a nice little, it's pretty flat. And let me just find something there to show you how that goes. And then your flippy and your little book. So there we go. Another flippy and your back cover. Well, actually, you know what? I wanted that green to be on the cover, so I did that backwards. Okay, but that's okay. It's still pretty. It still coordinates. I really like this paper, and I love this paper, which is DCWV. It is very good quality. I also got that at Joann's for a steal. I really like it too. Even my butterflies are going the right way. I tried to pick a non-directional, but even that ended up okay. So there you go. I hope you have a great week, and I'll see you next time, everyone. Thank you so much for your time. Bye.